Here's a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 1SB Coupe. Looks great in that blue color, and it has 40,000 miles, so it's going to make a great deal for someone, and it is a beautiful car. As we said, Electron Blue on the exterior, black interior, beautiful glass top as well. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 horsepower LS1 engine, automatic transmission, and factory features include the $1,700 1SB Preferred Equipment Group. This includes dual power sports seats, dual zone electronic climate control, automatic day-night rearview mirror, fog lamps, and memory package. The car has beautiful polished wheels, Bose CD stereo system with power windows, power locks. Well, everything's power on this car. Includes tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. It comes with a clean Carfax. All of our cars are hand-picked here at buyavette.net, and it is loaded with options. And this 2003 Corvette shows just 40,487 miles. And this car is in particularly nice condition as well. The car's paint is good to very good. It has a great shine. The glass top is very good to excellent, as are the factory polished wheels. Now, the interior of this 2003 Corvette shows good to very good factory leather seats, very good to excellent steering wheel, center console, and door panels. Now, additions to this car include the silver rear bumper fill-ins, Z06 style front grills, black rear Lloyd mat with C5 logo embroidery. It has the black Swiss cheese style battery cover, smooth bellows for the airbox, and rubber front mats with Corvette script. This car has been fully serviced. All instrument gauges, lights, turn signals, everything on this car has been checked, serviced, and is ready to go. Remember, we can ship cars from buyavette.net here less expensive than you can imagine. And remember, we're an online sales. You can come in and visit our showroom anytime you want to and see a great selection of beautiful Corvettes. But we also make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. So give us a call, buyavette.net here in Atlanta, Georgia, 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do hit the notification button, you'll get notified every time a new Corvette comes to our showroom floor. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.